After the stretching and twisting test phase was complete, it was on to surface durability. So what you're about to see is taking this part that's been run through all of these different tests on our mechanical cell, and now I'm actually going to go after it with a razor blade and a wire brush. We were really impressed with the durability of this C-Series Cerakote. It definitely did come off the surface a bit, but it maintained its color and it really didn't wear through that bad, all things considered. So when it comes to end-use parts that are going to be printed in a Lubrizol M95A TPU, if you need a custom color, C-Series Cerakote is a tremendously good option.